Hi everyone, welcome back to David's channel, and in this video I will show you how to fix your Valorant's Van81 error code. Hey guys, if you're seeing the Van81 error in your Valorant, it indicates a connection problem related to the Riot Vanguard anti-cheat system preventing the game from launching properly. So here's a step-by-step guide to troubleshoot and fix it. You want to restart your system and clients. You want to close your Valorant and the Riot client and then restart your PC, then open the Riot client again and try launching the game. Next is check the Vanguard VGC service. You want to press Windows plus R and then press enter and then service VGC, then make sure the startup type is set to automatic. If it's stopped, right click and then click start. Some users on Reddit advise using misconfiguration to ensure the service isn't disabled. Lastly is that if those doesn't work, you want to reinstall your Riot Vanguard and Valorant if needed. So if the step above fails, you want to uninstall your Riot Vanguard via control panel or add or remove programs. Restart your PC then, and then launch Valorant. Vanguard should automatically reinstall. So if problems persist, consider uninstalling both Valorant and Vanguard and then perform a clean reinstall.